Hello everyone, it's Gigi, and I have a few card kits to share with you guys that I purchased. I'm going to start with the Stamps of Life, and this was for March, and it's my last one that I'm getting from them. I decided to change to the Spellbinders. So this is a reminder of the stamp set that I got from them at the beginning of the month, because it coordinates with the kit. So it was called Flowers to Layer, and it looks like this, and it was a floral one, and then there is the die set. So the card kit is called Sweet Moments Collection, and we got some free dies this month. The ones that I got were this hello with the little rectangles, and then I got these little scalloped borders. So that was really nice of them. And then every month you always get one of these handy plastic folders, and I always keep my kits in these. They're really handy for that. And then you always get 12 envelopes. And then we got paper. You always get 4 of their powdered sugar. And then they had ocean, sea glass, cherry, poppy, lemonade, kiwi, green apple, and marigold. And their cardstock is really nice. So you get all of that. Sorry guys, I shook y'all. And then you always get a 6x6 paper pad, and you get 24 sheets. So I'll show you what we got, and it's really pretty. And these you can use with your dies to cut them out that came with the kit. I mean with your Die Hard, if you're a Die Hard member. Skip the page. Isn't that pretty? It's like watercolor looking. There's some smaller ones, and then it says Sweet Moments. Some plaid or gingham. And there's a smaller Sweet Moments. And did it repeat? Yeah, and then it starts to repeat. And then we got these really cute buttons, and they're fabric, and they're stickers. And then we got these puffy stickers, really cute. This one up here says happy, or does it say? Oh, it says spring. I can't read, guys. And here we got these little bumpy pearls, and these would look pretty in the center of the flowers. And we got the die that says Sweet Moments with the shadow. And then we got a stamp set. This says Thinking of You, and just in case you forgot, I'm always here for you. And then you got these 2 stamps, and then she also included the dies to those with the shadows for both of those. And that was that kit. So the next kit that I got, I love. It like screamed me. And it's from MFT. And wait till y'all see this. Oh, you know what else I forgot to show y'all from the other one? They gave ribbon. They gave seam binding and ribbon. Sorry about that. So we did get that also in the kit, and that seam binding is gorgeous. I think it's called Poppy. Okay. So this was the kit. It's called Cats and Plants. Guys, y'all know that I love my cats. I am like cat mom. I have 4. And yeah, this is so me. So you get 5 of the smooth white sheets, and you can use those either for card bases or for stamping on, and they're Copic friendly. Then you get Moroccan Spice, candied yam, butterscotch, sour apple, jalapeno popper, Caribbean Sea, cement gray, and Eiffel Tower. And then you get some coordinating paper. Let me get that out. And this one's called Wallpaper Patterns. So let me just do a quick little flip so you can see. And it's single-sided. And it matches perfectly to the, you get 2 of each, I believe. Yeah, you do. Well, let me just flip through it, because otherwise we'll be here all day. But I really like it. Let's see if I can go this way better. Isn't that pretty? I love it. So you get that. And then you get some stamps and dies and a stencil, I believe. Okay. Do you get a stencil or just dies? Just dies in the stamp. Okay, you get an exclusive stamp if you bought the kit. And it's called House Cats Exclusive. And it says, love from me to Mew. Congrats on Mew, on your Mew edition. I'm pausing to let you know how much I love you. Look how cute they are. So got that. Then it came with this window dressing. It has curtains, a curtain rod, and a window. Then you got the house plants. And then you got the stamp set called House Cats, which I am in love with. So it says, I love that we have so much history together. I'm bored without you. I'll love you forever. Happy birthday. And I've got some great Mews. I love you. Look at all of that. That is so stinking cute. I love the cat and the plant. And then you got a free with 60, and I chose the cat and plant perches to make some more scenes. And then here again is the inspiration sheet. That is just adorable. Okay, so I got that. And then the last one that I got was from Etsy, from this lady that I like to get some of her kits from. Her name is Shannon. Her website, I believe, on Etsy is Mixed Media Arts, or Minnesota Arts, or hold on, let me show you. It is... So this last kit I got is from Mixed Media Minnesota, who is Shannon. Hi, Shannon. And I love getting her kits sometimes. And she's on Etsy, guys. And so let me share with you which kit I got this time. So it's from Stamperia, and it's called Flower Alphabet. And this paper is just so gorgeous. So let me show you briefly what it looks like. I can't fit it all in screen, but I can kind of show you like what it basically looks like. It's just really pretty. I love Stamperia paper. So I won't be using it as a scrapbook because I don't scrapbook. I'll be using it on cards. So I'll cut bits and pieces from it and try to make some really pretty cards out of it. Look at those. I believe those are daisies. It's so pretty. Look at those birds, those tags. My husband really liked these down here, these birds over here. I, of course, just love the whole thing. Oh, there they are again, those birds. Right up here. That'll be such a pretty card. So then we're getting into like the blues and purples of the paper. Really gorgeous. And that's the end. And here it shows you what's in there. Show y'all. Very pretty paper. And then she sent the decoupage paper, and this is so pretty. Very beautiful. And then she sent this trim called, it's from My Sweet Collection from Prima. And it has butterflies with pearls. So delicate and pretty. And then we got this memory hardware decorative frame from the Chantilly Royal from Prima. Isn't that pretty? So I would definitely change the color of it. But that is gorgeous. And then we got this stamp set here by Prima called, it's from Rossi Bell. And they're right here, the ones you get. And then we got some Prima flowers from Flor de Prima. You get 16 pieces. They're so pretty. I love pink and mint. And then that touch of like those ivory, neutral colored flowers, so pretty. And then we got some Say It in Crystals from Golden Coast, also pretty. And then she included these Stamperia rub-ons. And they are rub-on deco transfers. And they're like doilies. And they're pretty thick. I mean, they're different. I mean, they're definitely dimensional. And they're so pretty. And you get quite a few in different sizes. And then she included this Stamperia deco tape. And it has beautiful flowers on it. And it looks like some text. Very faint. Like, look at those florals right there. Very pretty. And then lastly from the kit, we got this Stamperia 3D Pearl Pen. And you can see the color like right in here. That looks so pretty. And then they show you examples right here. So I've never tried Stamperia Pearl Pens before, so I'm looking forward to giving it a try. And that is it, guys. I thank y'all for watching. I love you guys. Bye-bye.